How to tame goats in Hytale. So finally in new pre-release you can tame animals, and this is how you can tame goats. So you need to be in survival mode. So I'm gonna turn off my creative mode and press F to tame, and you will see what you need, what is the favorite food of that animal. This is the apple, so I got apple prepared. Simply press F while you are holding the apple. So now the goat is tamed. You can also press F to another goat and also go here and press F to tame goats. And now if you are holding that apple or that favorite food, they will follow you and they are no longer scared of you. They will no longer run away from you. And if you're holding that apple, they are following you, but now it's the bug reported that they are still following you if you are very far away from the distance. As you can see, they are still following me. If you go to that goats, you can, for example, pet them, and as you can see, they are no longer scared of me. Sometimes they welcome you if you are nearby. So this is how you can tame goats in Hytale. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.